Welcome along to BalloonTube, and this time we're going to do the shark. It can be a 2-balloon shark. That's if you draw the eyes on the pinch twist here, just above. But I like to put the 160 in black because just to add to it. So here's our shark. Should have the Jaws theme going, really, should we? As it comes through. Anyway. Carry on, bro, quick. Right, so you need a 260 grey. Leave between a 4 and a 5 finger bubble uninflated. You need 2 1.5 finger bubbles, and you're going to pinch twist these. So get the knot, wrap it around the second twist, and then take the knot, get hold of one of the bubbles, go around a couple of times, and that gives you 2 pinch twists that hopefully are similar size and a similar pressure. Right, squeeze the air along. You need a 5 finger bubble. So 5 finger bubble. Then you need about a between an 8 and a 9 finger bubble. So you've got to go for a. So we're going to go about there, I reckon. So it'll be like that. And then you need another 5 finger bubble to match up. So hold that next to it so you can see that that's going to roughly be about right. So you end up with this. So it's a 5 between an 8 and a 9 and a 5. Now the pinch twist. Then you need another, look like this, you need another 5 finger bubble. I always think it looks like a hammerhead shark like that, doesn't it? Right, so a 5 finger bubble there, 2 1.5 finger bubbles which are going to pinch twist. There we go, so these two get twisted together, that away. The end of the balloon goes over the top. And then for the back fins, now one of them should be slightly bigger than the other, but I always do them the same because because I do. So it's a 4 finger bubble and a 2 finger bubble. Right, that goes around the pinch twist. And then you need another 4 finger bubble and a 2 finger bubble. A 4 finger bubble and a 2 finger bubble. There we go. And that again goes around the pinch twist. And where I said at the beginning, leave a 4 or 5 finger bubble uninflated, leave 5 because this is a little bit tight on mine and it's going to be tricky to deflate. So if I was you, I'd leave 5 to make sure. So deflate, this is your favourite method. And there we go, might be right. I'll go down slowly. Put that round a few times, you can tighten the knot if you like. And adjust the twist. Back to the shark. Now then, you need a, is that right there? Great. You need a 160, and on this one we've left about 6 fingers uninflated. You need 2 1.5 finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. Right. You then need a 1 finger bubble. Right. Squeeze the air, a 1.5 finger bubble. This is going to be one of the eyes. Right, so it's going to be one of the eyes. So twist those together for a pinch twist. Right. And then that is going to sit in one of these. Any one you like. You choose, it doesn't matter. This one, just go for it. Alright. Now that will go down there. Now you need a bubble to pull this together. So between a 2 and a 3 finger bubble. There we go. I've gone for probably about 2.5 finger bubble. Typical, I suppose. Another 1.5 finger bubble. You're going to pinch twist that to the other eye and stretch that around. Now you haven't got a choice on this one. It's got to go on this side, hasn't it? Alright, so pull that in. Snap the pinch twist around. Alright, so see that bubble there, which is about a 2.5 finger bubble. That pulls it all in. You now need another 1 finger bubble. And then that will go to the 2 pinch twists that you started off at the beginning. So if you can, there we go, that goes to there. And pinch twist there at the top. We'll start to see it looking a little bit more, there we go. Alright, now you need a mouth, so squeeze the air along, and I do approximately a 3 finger fold twist. So between a 3 and a 4 finger fold twist you need. Get wrapped around the pinch twist, and should be there. This top section of the 260, I also like to just squeeze that and give it a little bit of shape. Alright, there we go. I'll just sort of bring it down slightly. And then that will sit like so. I have tried putting teeth in this, but I'm never sort of happy and comfortable with what we've ended up with. So if you do come up with a good idea for the teeth, let me know. So anyway, on the 160, once you've got your 3 to 4 finger fold twist, you need about a 1.5 finger bubble, then a pinch twist, and now you're going to put the side fins on. So you want a 4 finger bubble and a 3 finger bubble, a 4 and a 3, and that gets twisted around the pinch twist. And you want another 4 and a 3, and a 4 and a 3. There we go. That gets around the pinch twist as well. Then this 160 gets pushed through the 260. Pull it nice and tight. Adjust the mouth. Adjust the fins so they go in. The ball is at the front, so they curve backwards. Alright, and then this 160, pull it nice and tight, and then from the top of the 260 here, you want a 6 finger bubble. So put your hand there, that's going to be a 4. So you want a 6 finger bubble, and then you want a 4 finger bubble. There we go. And then this second twist goes around these 2 pinch twists here. There we go. And then you just need a 3 finger bubble going back to the pinch twist on the fins there. Just to deflate this in your favourite method, but make sure you leave a 3 finger bubble. There you go. And don't put it in your teeth because that's terrible, isn't it? Right, there we go. Let that go down. There's your 3 finger bubble. Tie that in a knot. That goes down the pinch twist, the underside of the fins. Tie it all up. Go. And then you'll just shake it a little bit. Get the thing going as you like. So there's your sharp. Alright, there's the underside now. And then just, if you just wanted to be quick, you just draw the eyes there, can't you? Just draw the eyes on and you're done. Well, I do like to put, I inflate this between a 2 and a 3 finger bubble. Split it into 2. And then twist this a few times because you do want a little bit of a slack between. And then when you tie this up, don't do it too tight because otherwise it will look like a pinch twist. So you still want it to look a little bit circular. So there we go. And then squeeze the air along a little bit. Do the other one. There we go. Alright, and not too tight. There we go. Because using all the balloons, it's a little bit tricky to tie, isn't it? And then get rid of that in your favourite method. Scissors. Always use scissors or a cutter. Who said that? Obviously not me. Right, there you go. So you have this little bit of slack here so that you can pull this, and that also helps to pull the shark body together as well. So put one of those down the underside of the pinch twist. And pull that all the way across the top to the other side. You can see the black 160 there, but just put that underneath. It will get hidden up. There we go. Put his eyes out. There we go. There's our shark. These comes along, alright. And there's your 2 balloon shark. Thanks very much for watching. If you could, your eyes a bit wonky there. That's a bit better. Right, if you could hit the subscribe button down there, that'd be great. And we might see you again on another time on BalloonTube. So bye for now. It's bye from me. Bye from the shark. Cheerio.